Today we are going to make green shrimp stew. The ingredients are coriander leaves, mint leaves, fennel seeds, cardamom, cinnamon stick, cloves, black pepper, and green chili. The ingredients are 150 to 200 grams of deveined large prawns, one dry brindleberry, and a pinch of salt. Take a pan, heat, and put in the prawn and brindleberry and salt. Pour in 2 cups of water. After pouring in the water, let it boil for 15 to 20 minutes. Let the mixture boil for 15 to 20 minutes. Put in the mint leaves, coriander leaves, green chili, cloves, cardamom, black pepper, cinnamon, and fennel seeds into the blender. Grind properly. Put in 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Put in salt. Close and grind. The mixture has been completely ground. Now this can be used as the base for the stew. Pour in 10 ml of oil into the prawn and brindleberry mixture. And let it heat. Put in shallots, ripe chili, dried chili, and salt. For 5 to 6 minutes. Put in the tomatoes. And green chili and salt. until the shallots are golden brown. First the tomato, and salt. Into the shrimp and tomato mixture, put in the coriander, green mint that we ground earlier to make the base of the curry. Salt and mix the whole shrimps and the base together. Pour in 2 cups of water. And mix and cook. In high flame for 15 to 20 minutes. Now the green shrimp stew is nearly ready. The flame can be put off and the stew can be taken off. This is the final green shrimp stew. Very tasty and delicious shrimp dish.